ways to reduce your food waste and save money on your grocery budget. This week we're going to be shopping mostly the freezer and a little bit from the pantry. As you can see, I have a variety of meats, side dishes, cheeses, leftover pizza dough, pasta, some fruits and some veg. So I'm going to separate this out into different meals and we'll come back and look at what we can fix. Okay, let's get started. Got some leftover carrots, potatoes, a little bit of broccoli, and a sirloin steak. So we'll put that together and have sirloin steak with roasted vegetables. Next, we'll take the leftover pizza dough and mozzarella, pepperonis, provolone, and we'll put that together for little pizzas. Polish sausage and macaroni and cheese. Found 2 cods and a potato, so that'll be fish and chips. Cooked up sausage, green pepper, and egg noodles for a casserole. Leftover diced up chicken, mixed vegetables, and the noodles. I'll make some chicken noodle soup. Breaded shrimp, sweet potato fries, and vegetables for a salad. Shrimp, tortillas, and what's left over of the vegetables, and we'll have shrimp salad. Now that the menu's been planned and I've determined who's going to be home for what meals, we went to the grocery store. These items here were on sale, and so they're part of the pantry stock up. These items were normally just every week we buy these items. The only thing I did pick up for the dinners was a cabbage to go with the chicken soup, the Polish sausages, and coleslaw for the fish and chips. So everything else you see here is just to fill in for the meals. These here are to stock up the pantry. For a bonus, I found in the pantry some leftover Fiber One cereal that needs to be used up, applesauce from the refrigerator, blueberries, and in the freezer, some shredded zucchini. In the pantry, I also found a can of pumpkin. And so I think what I'll do this week with these items is make some muffins.